Namaskar. Direction for the following three items. Read the following passages and answer the items that follow the passages. Your answers to these items should be based on the passages only. Passages. In some places in the world, the productivity of staples such as rice and wheat has reached a plateau. Neither new strain nor fancy agrochemical are raising the yields, nor is there much unfarmed land left that is the suitable to be brought under the plug. If the global temperature continue to rise, some places will become the unsuitable for farming. Application of the technology can help to overcome this problem. Agricultural technology is changing fast. Much of these changes is brought about by affluent farmers in the West Americas. Techniques developed in the West are being adapted in the some places to make the tropical crops more productive. Technology is of little use if it is not adapted. In developing world, that applies as much to existing farming techniques as it does to latest advance in genetic modification. Extending to the smallholder and subsistence farmers of Africa and Asia, the best today's agriculture practices in such a simple matters as how much fertilizer to apply and when would lead to greatly increased availability of food for humans. So would think like the better routes and strong facilities to allow for carries of surplus to market and reduces the wastage. Question number 21. Based on the above passages, the following assumptions have been made. 1. Development of agricultural technology is confined to developed countries. Option number 2. Agricultural technology is not adopted in developing countries. Which of the above assumptions is are valid? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option D neither 1 nor 2. Based on the above passages, the following assumptions have been made. 1. Poor countries need to be bringing about the change in their existing farming techniques. Developed countries have better infrastructure and they waste less food. Which of the above assumptions is are valid? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A, that is 1 only. Question number 23. Based on the above passages, the following assumptions have been made. 1. Growing enough food for future generation will be a challenge. 2. Corporate farming is viable option for food security in poor countries. Which of the above assumptions is are valid? A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. Option is option 1 or option A is correct, that is 1 only. Question number 24. The letter A, B, C, D, E are arranged in such a way that there are exactly 2 letters between A and E. How many such arrangements are possible? Option A 12, option B 18, option C 24, option D 36. Answer is option C, that is 24. Question number 25. Consider the question and 2 statements given below. Question 1. Question. Is Z brother of X? Statement 1. X is brother of Y and Y is brother of Z. Statement 2. X, Y, Z are siblings. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the question and the statement? Statement 1. Alone is sufficient. The answer the question. Statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Both statement 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the question. And option number D. Both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the questions. Answer is option number D, that is both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the questions. Question number 26. On one side of a 1 is to 01 kilometer long road, 101 plants are planted at equal distance from each other. What is the total distance between 5 consecutive plants? Option A 40 meters, option B 40.4 meters, option C 50 meters, option D 50.5 meters. Answer is option B 40.4 meters. Question number 27. A, B, C are the 3 places such that there are the 3 different routes from A to B, 4 different routes from B to C, and 3 different routes from A to C. In how many different ways can one travel from A to C using these routes? Option A 10, option B 13, option C 15, option D 36. Answer is option C 15. Question number 28. A has some coins. He gives half of the coins and 2 more to B. B gives half of the coins to more to C. C gives half of the coin and 2 more to D. And the number of coins D has now is the smallest 2-digit number. How many coins does A have in the beginning? Option A 76, option B 68, option C 60, and option D 52. Answer is D 52. Question number 29. In the series A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, which letter appear at the 100th place? A, G, option number B, H, option number C, I, option number D, J. Answer is option number C, I. Question number 30. Three persons A, B, C are standing in the queue, not necessarily in the same order. There are 4 persons between A and B and 7 persons between B and C. If there are 11 persons ahead of C and 13 behind of A, what could be the minimum number of persons in the queue? Option A 22, option B 28, option C 32, and option D 38. Answer is option A 22. Thank you.